Hey guys, me Patrick, and if you saw in one of our videos, my sister Jessica got kidnapped by the black elephant bunny and got knocked out, and now it's her cousin Trudy, and we can't. We were up and the electric went off twice. Elfigs went out, so I think now all we can do is find her. So let's move on, guys.
Guys, look. Shh, look. Guys, Trudy's been missing for quite a while now. She came to visit and now she's missing. She's never going to visit here again. The door won't open. Guys, the door won't open.
Guys, guess what happened too? We hear screaming when we're upstairs. Yeah,
and the door keeps closing. She's not here.
What?
Stay behind me, stay behind me.
The elf tried to get blamed.
The elf's tried to get blamed once again. Trudy's not here. Trudy's here. Knock on. Are you okay, Trudy? Stand back from her. Trudy, are you okay? Guys, I gotta help Trudy. Wait there. Guys, tell us what happened, Trudy. Trudy, did they get you?
Mm-hmm.
What did they do to you? Boys, everybody's setting this open and we help Trudy. I can't stop laughing what they done there.
Look at the elf done to himself.
Drop the elf after what it done to Liz. Trudy?
How did you get this off?
Did they hurt you, Trudy?
I hit you.
Did you? You were squealing? Did the cell tip you up then?
Why are you not speaking?
Are you bleeding? Is that blood?
Where's blood?
Did they cut your nose or anything?
Where's blood?
What have they done to you?
Where's the blood?
It looks like blood. Everybody set up. Did we see if Trudy's okay? Someone, Lacey, started untipping Trudy's legs.
I can't.
Trudy, can you tell us what this says to you or what happened? You told me you were going home. Did they get you on the way home? Did they get you on the way home or what?
Yes.
They don't want her to tell us. If she was allowed to tell, she would tell you. I think if she talks, she's in trouble. So guys, you just need to behave.
Where is lunch? Where's the rest of the elf?
I'm so scared. I'm laughing with nerves. But guys, set up. Set up, Priya. Set up.
No.
I think Trudy's in trouble. That's why she can't tell you. What do you think of this video? Put up your hands if you're scared.
No.
Everyone's scared. Patrick, you're scared because you were scared last night when something happened in the house. Do you want to tell them what happened last night, Dean?
I was with the Pringle, my favourite elf, and I played with. But then suddenly when I went up to my bed, there were more elves and what called it, and then the electric, then my lights flickered off and all this creepy stuff happened.
Yes. So and now this has happened to Trudy. What are we going to do with these elves? They have to go.
Is there no lights off?
What the fuck?
It was me!
I'm so scared. The lights has gone off now again. Trudy, we're sorry for this happening to you. We promise you it won't happen again. We're getting rid of them. Patrick, what are you going to say before we go?
I am scared!
Are you going to sleep tonight?
Yes. I'll sleep. I'll sleep if they don't put rocks above my head.
Rocks? Well, I'm a bit scared for Trudy now, so we gotta go and sort Trudy out.
Okay.
So, over and...
Bye. Bye.